What up, boys and girls? It's your pal BrySi here. You'll notice behind me, we have a helicopter. We're getting ready to go on a helicopter ride. First time I've ever been on a helicopter ride. Don't really know what to expect, but we're going to get in there. We're going to let the pilot do his thing. We're going to tour the area. It's part of the Fiesta movement. This month's mission is get to the chopper. All right, so let's take a quick look at the inside. Joysticks and buttons and pedals. Alright, so that was it. That was pretty awesome. We just got to take a tour of the area in a helicopter. We went from the ground to the sky today, and that was pretty cool. It's $20,000 to get your helicopter license, so I'm going to start saving up. If that's something you guys would like to do. What color helicopter would you get? Leave me a comment below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Ford and the Fiesta movement, for making this possible. Thanks to my pilot for bringing me home safe. My wife and kids really appreciate that. Talk to you guys soon.